Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious custard apple milkshake using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe custard apple, 1 cup of chilled milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can also add a few ice cubes if you prefer a colder drink. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and refreshing treat. Now let's prepare the custard apple. Cut the ripe fruit in half and use a spoon to scoop out all the creamy pulp. It's important to remove all the black seeds from the pulp. You can do this by hand or by gently mashing the pulp through a sieve to separate the seeds, ensuring a smooth milkshake. Next, transfer the deseeded custard apple pulp into your blender. Add the 1 cup of chilled milk and the 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you like, toss in a few ice cubes for an extra frosty texture. Blend all the ingredients on high speed until the mixture is completely smooth and has a consistent, creamy texture. Finally, pour your delicious custard apple milkshake into a tall glass. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of cinnamon, a few chopped nuts, or a fresh mint leaf for an appealing presentation. This refreshing drink is perfect for any time of day. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.